Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gourmet nachos. To start, select a sturdy, high-quality tortilla chip as your base. This is crucial for holding all those delicious toppings. Arrange about 8 ounces of chips in a single layer on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. This ensures even heating and prevents sticking. Remember, a good foundation makes all the difference for truly exceptional nachos, so don't skimp on your chip choice. Next, let's talk about cheese and protein. For the best melt and flavor, use a blend of 2 or 3 different cheeses, like sharp cheddar and Monterey Jack. Shredding about 8 ounces of your own cheese is key, as pre-shredded varieties often contain anti-caking agents. If adding protein, such as 1 pound of seasoned ground beef or shredded chicken, ensure it's fully cooked and drained before layering it over the chips. Now for the exciting part, fresh toppings. These elevate your nachos from good to gourmet. Think about adding about 1 cup of diced fresh tomatoes, 1/2 cup of thinly sliced jalapenos, and 1/4 cup of finely chopped red onion. After baking, you can dollop on creamy elements like sour cream or a generous scoop of homemade guacamole. A sprinkle of fresh cilantro at the very end adds a beautiful, vibrant finish. Finally, let's get those nachos perfectly baked and ready to enjoy. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the nachos for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until the cheese is completely melted, bubbly, and slightly golden brown around the edges. Once out of the oven, serve them immediately. This ensures the chips remain crispy and the cheese is wonderfully gooey, providing the ultimate gourmet nacho experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.